Hi, welcome to Soul of Art and Craft. I'm Sri, your artist. Today I'm going to talk about all the basic things you need for a Lippan art and how to use the molded clay. Although it is written molded epoxy compound, but I generally say it molded clay. It contains resin and hardener. Then you need a knife, although it is not that much important if you already have the tools. A handy MDF base. Now these are the tools available in the market. These are plastic one and these are wooden. You can purchase any one of them, and if you don't want to purchase anything, then also I have the alternative of all the products I am showing you here, and they are easily available in our home. Details I have given in the description. And you will need a talcum powder. Now let's learn how to use the mold it. And friends, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This will really motivate me to create more such informative video for you. Now let's focus the process. At first, take same quantity of hardener and resin. Then put some talcum powder on your palm and the board as well, because they are very sticky, and mix them very well until it looks like this. Now just see how I am making the strips. First put some talcum powder on the board, then cut the big dough into small pieces. Then make strips with the help of a MDF like this. For design purpose, you can use these tools which are easily available online. All the products links are given in the description. Now just see how I am using the tools. If you like my video, please hit the like button, and yeah, that's all for today. Last but not the least, thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.